Welcome to the Wisdom Junction. Today we are going to discuss what philosophy is in simple words. What is philosophy? Philosophy is a way of thinking about the big questions in life, like what is real, what is true, and how we should live. It explores concepts such as knowledge, morality, existence, and the nature of reality. Philosophers use reason and logical thinking to try to understand these complex ideas. In simple terms, philosophy asks questions about everything. It asks questions like, why are we here? What is the meaning of life? How do we know what we know? Is there a right and wrong way to live? These questions have been asked for thousands of years by people trying to make sense of the world and our place in it. Philosophy is not just about coming up with answers. It's also about asking better questions and examining our assumptions. It encourages us to think critically and deeply about our beliefs, values, and the way we see the world. By doing this, philosophy helps us gain a clearer understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Different philosophers have different ideas and theories about these questions. Some famous philosophers include Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, Descartes, Kant, and many others. They have contributed different perspectives and arguments to help us explore these deep questions. Ultimately, philosophy is about engaging in thoughtful and reflective inquiry. It encourages us to examine our beliefs, challenge our assumptions, and seek wisdom and understanding. It's a way of exploring the mysteries of life and developing our own ideas and perspectives about the world we live in. There are several branches or types of philosophy that focus on different aspects of human existence and knowledge. Here are some of the major branches of philosophy. Metaphysics. This branch of philosophy deals with fundamental questions about reality, existence, and the nature of the universe. It explores concepts such as the nature of being, the relationship between mind and body, determinism versus free will, and the existence of God. Epistemology is the study of knowledge. It examines how we acquire knowledge, what makes something true or justified, and the limits of knowledge. Epistemology explores questions like, what is knowledge? How do we know what we know? Are there limits to what we can know? Ethics is concerned with questions of morality, values, and how we should live. It explores concepts like right and wrong, good and evil, and the principles that guide human behavior. Ethics asks questions about how we should treat others, what constitutes a just society, and what actions are morally permissible. Logic is the study of reasoning and argumentation. It examines the principles of valid reasoning, logical structure, and the evaluation of arguments. Logic helps us analyze and assess the validity of arguments and the consistency of our beliefs. Aesthetics deals with the nature of beauty, art, and our subjective experiences of them. It explores questions like, what is art? What makes something beautiful? How do we interpret and appreciate art? Social and political philosophy. This branch of philosophy focuses on questions related to society, politics, and the organization of human communities. It examines concepts such as justice, equality, rights, and the role of government in society. Philosophy of science. This field explores the nature of scientific knowledge, methodology, and the philosophical foundations of various scientific disciplines. It investigates how scientific theories are formed, validated, and revised. These branches of philosophy often intersect and overlap with each other, and philosophers may draw from multiple branches to address complex questions. Additionally, there are many subdisciplines and specialized areas within each branch of philosophy. If you found this information helpful, please consider supporting us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot to us and helps us create more quality content. Thank you for watching.